For more AID tutorial, go to my playlist and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified about every new video from this. Welcome to my AID tutorial 60. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a battery indicator app. First go to AIDE, click on for export, new Android project, name the project, I'm going to name it battery indicator. If you would like to change the package name, you can change it. Click on create. In this app we will show battery percentage in text view. So let's just remove the text. And add ID. Okay, save it. Let's view. You can add size if you want. Let's not add, and then go to main activity.java, and after the R layout main we'll register receiver. And you can see in the bracket broadcast receiver intent filter. Just click on it and we will add broadcast receiver BD. We'll name it BD and go and comma, then type new intent filter, open small bracket, type intent, dot axon underscore battery changed, and close the bracket and semicolon and close the curly bracket. After it, click on type private, and we'll need to add broadcast receiver, type BD equals to new broadcast receiver, and open and close the small bracket and open curly bracket, and after the curly bracket click on semicolon, and long press on the semicolon inside the semicolon to implement all abstract, and click on this button, okay, to fix and implement all abstract. It will automatically write some code, and inside it we'll need to add an intent battery level. So type int level and type p2 intent. Here it is p2 dot get int extra, open a small bracket and open inverted comma. Inside the inverted comma type label and give comma and 0 and close the small bracket and semicolon. And we'll need to give this battery level to text views so that it will show it. Then type text view, let's name it TV equals to text view bracket close, find view by ID. Will I type the ID dot ID dot main just copy. Let's copy the ID and paste it. And close the bracket and semicolon. Now set TV dot set text, open small bracket and inverted comma. Inside the inverted comma type battery label. This text will be shown in the text view, so we'll type battery label and give and plus we'll add the percentage battery integer dot to string, open small bracket, type label bracket close, plus we need also percentage and close the small bracket semicolon and save it. Now we'll build the app and check it. Install app. It's taking too long. Let's press back and again we'll build it. Click on install. Okay, let's click on open. You can see our battery level here. Battery level is 95%, battery level is 95%. Let's increase the text size and build it again. Go to XML, add text size. Let's type 50 dp. Okay, it will be fine, I think. Let's build it again, install it again. Okay, you can see battery level 95%. Thanks for watching.